Hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off Wi-Fi only voice data download option in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. So, first of all, we need to open settings. Then in settings we are looking for accessibility options, then talkback, then settings. Next at the top we have text-to-speech options. And then in this cog menu here, we have, as you can see, use Wi-Fi only option for download our voice data, etc. So we can simply turn it off. It's a simple on and or off switch. There are no other options here. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.